Well, there we go. Day 2 of our renovation is done. I'm probably got about 16 hours into this between yesterday and today. We've got tar paper on the roof, and I got some tarps up there as well, because the guy that's helped me is probably not coming back for another week. He's got other commitments. So when he comes back, he's going to bring all the steel, and we're going to put the steel roof on, and that'll take care of that. So he's done a really nice, thorough job. Really pleased with how it's turned out. So now I'm going to go at it for the next week and do a few things. I can't really put the siding on because we got to get some flashing, and he's going to make the flashing and bring it with him. So I still have lots of stuff to do. Got to do some spray foaming, got to do some wiring, got to do some plumbing. When he comes back, he's going to help me, and we're going to put a 14 by 10 roof over top of our patio doors. And that's going to eventually that's going to be my enclosed porch. So let's just take a look, see what this will look like. Yeah, so right there, gonna have 14.5 feet wide by 10 feet out. Steel's gonna be 12 feet, so with the slope and an overhang, that's gonna work out good. We're not gonna put a lot of pitch on the roof, and the reason we're not doing that is because if I follow the same angle as what the other roof is on, I'm gonna lose a lot of view of the lake. So we discussed it, and I made a suggestion, and he thought it was a good idea. What we're gonna do, he's gonna run 2x12s out. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an extra header right straight down the middle. So basically, what we're gonna have here is it's gonna be fastened to the wall, and then right where that triple post is, we're gonna run a triple 2x6 header across. And then at 10 feet out, we're gonna run another triple 10-foot header. Another triple 2x6 header at another 10 feet, 5 feet out from there. So at 5 feet, you have one header. At 5 feet, you have another header. And then we'll have probably 3 posts. And then, of course, there'll be a post over here at this end, and he's going to fasten into that triple 2x6 for to hold the header. And so we're going to have less of a slope, but it's going to be supported really well, so it'll be fine. And as far as that opening there, I've got like I said before, I got a 4-foot water tote that has to go in. And I told him to give me a header up there in case I want to put a door there. Well, what I've decided to do is I've got these 2 doors from a previous one of these buildings I had before that I took out and put patio doors in. So what I'm going to do is the 2 of them are 6 feet. Well, my opening is only like 4 to 5 feet. So what I've decided to do is I was gonna cut both doors down a little bit so it would look centralized. But I thought that's a lot of work. I didn't really want to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the one door and I'm gonna install it. The second door, I'm gonna cut it down. I'm gonna pull all the trim off of it. And I'm gonna have it on hinges, but I'm gonna paint the hinges the same color as the wall. And there'll be no trim on it, so you won't even see that door. So the one door will be a 3-foot door, and the other door will look like the wall. It'll be a 2-foot door. So I'll have a little latch at the top and the bottom, so it'll automatically stay closed. The other door, I can open and close it whenever I want. So in the winter time, it'll be sealed shut from inside. I'll put some tuck tape on the inside. I'll insulate it, put some tuck tape, but in the summer I'll take that tuck tape off and pull the insulation, and I'll have it for access if I want to. I may just leave it shut in case down the road I ever have to replace that tote. I'll have an access to get it in and out. So that's the plan. So there's day 2. Yeah, it worked out really well. I'm really pleased with how it looks, and it makes it so that my 2 buildings are coming together into one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and continue watching and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll keep you updated with all my little projects. Have a great day.